Okay, to solve this question, you need to know alternate segment theorem, right? So I will explain a little bit alternate segment theorem. Now, when you have circle and tangent, right, to the circle like this, right, and this tangent point, right, if you make a chord like this, right, this is the tangent and this is the chord. This chord subtended angle like this, right, this, right, this is the chord, no, this chord subtended angle at circumference. This will be equal to the angle between tangent and this chord, like this way. These two will be equal. Try to understand that, right? This is the tangent, this is the chord, this chord subtended angle, this one. This will be equal to this one, right? The angle between tangent and the chord, this one, right? This chord subtended angle equal angle between chord and the tangent. So here also like that, right? Now this is the tangent, this both tangent, LC and CA, these are tangent. Now this tangent, this is the chord you need to consider, right? You need to think this is the tangent DB, right? This chord, sorry, this is the tangent, this is the tangent, LC is the tangent, DB is the chord. This chord subtended angle like this chord subtended angle is equal to the angle between tangent and this chord. That means here 75, right? This is 75. This will be 75, right? Then after you need to know another theorem, right? When you have a circle from exterior external point, if you make same external point, if you make two tangent to the circle like this, right? This tangent point and this external point and this tangent point and the external point, this between these two, this direction, this distance and this distance will be same, right? Here and here will be equal, right? So that's why if you join these 2 points, this will make isosceles triangle. Keep mind that, right? So again, if I tell you from external point, if you make two tangent to the same circle, right? Normally you can make two tangent here. That two tangent distance will be same, right, to the tangent point, right? This is the tangent point, this is the external point. This distance will be equal to here, this tangent point and this external point. These two distance will be equal. That means this is isosceles. So here you can use that. Now C is the external point, D is one tangent point. So this distance will be equal to this external point, and here is that other tangent point. These two will be equal. So if this is 75, this also 75, right? That's the thing, like we discussed in my previous video. But when you have isosceles triangle, if you have two sides equal, opposite angle of that two side, this side opposite angle is this one, this side opposite angle is this one, this both will be equal, right? So now you can write the 75 plus 75 plus x will be equal to 180, right? These three add up to 180 because interior angle of a triangle. So here will be 75 plus 75 mean 150, right, plus x equal 180. So 150 bring to this side, so it will be 180 minus 150, right, because this is plus, right? When I bring to here, it will be minus. Now here will be x equal 180 minus 150 mean 30, right? 30 degrees. So x equal 30 degrees.